Hi everybody, I'm Joni with Seek and Sip Travel. So Seek and Sip Travel, remember we are the travel group. We search the world for the perfect sip, and today this is our very first video, and I am so honored to have my friend Miss Ariel Neal of Leira Knows Cocktails with us today. So you're in for a huge treat because we're gonna talk about cocktails. We're gonna show you how to make a cocktail, and we're gonna go ahead and weave all of that in with that travel bit as well, okay? So if you guys are ready, I'm ready, you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's do it. So Miss Ariel, tell everyone a little bit about yourself.
Hey, Joni.
Hey,
Thank you so much for
girl.
having me. I like that shirt. Do I get one?
Yes, baby.
I am Ariel Neal from Leira Knows Cocktails. I'm also the co-founder of Causing a Stir.
Okay.
But Leira Knows Cocktails we're for profit, so I take your money. And I do a lot of corporate events. I'm a bartender. I do education. But what I really want to do is show people how to have really great drinks and a really great time. And it's very important for me to show people how to drink properly. And for me, drinking properly is not all the sugar, not all the extra additives, and learning how to order great cocktails from places around the world or asking for that.
Cool. So let's get started then.
Yes.
So I see we have a smorgasbord of cocktail stuff here.
We do.
And I want to know what we're doing. So give me something to do and tell me what we got going.
All right, so I'm going to give you instruction and
Okay.
you are going to do the thing.
Cool.
We are making a classic sidecar today.
Oh.
All right. So a classic sidecar is very easy. It's going to be a cognac, whatever you pick.
I love cognac.
You should. Triple sec. Lemon or lime.
Okay.
You need an acid, doesn't matter which one.
Okay.
And then we have a little bit of sugar for the rim. Sidecars in general are going to be a little bit more tart, and so the sugar on the rim kind of balances it out a little bit.
Cool. So tell me something. What is
Sure.
your travel inspiration when you're making sidecars?
My travel inspiration when I'm making sidecar, I want it to be great. So you can never go to the same place twice and expect the same thing. So I like to travel and I like to see what other people do. Passion fruit is one of my favorite things in the world. So a place like the Caribbean, they have a lot of guava. They have a lot of beautiful fresh fruit.
Okay.
Some of it ripe, some of it not ripe, but if you put it in a drink, it's good to go.
Well, let's get started.
All right.
Tell me a little bit about, so where does cognac come from? We're going to go ahead and talk while we're making these cocktails
Yes.
too.
So cognac comes from the Cognac region of France. It is a brandy, actually, a eau de vie. And it's it's a simply delicious spirit. One of the reasons why cognacs are so expensive is because it takes a very long time to make, and a lot of people like to serve it up neat, but I love it in a cocktail. So I'm gonna show you how to make a cocktail, but I want you to kind of
Help you out?
Yeah, help me out a little bit. All right, so
I'm ready.
the first thing we want to do is we're going to start with the least expensive ingredient first. So we're going to do 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Now, what are bitters? Bitters are to cocktails. What seasoning is to a dish. 2.
And can I find these in the store? Is that
Absolutely.
Grocery store? I can find these in grocery store?
Absolutely. You want to do 2 more?
Let's do one.
Okay, because we're making 2, right?
Yep.
All right. So now we are going to use a little bit of triple sec.
Smells like Worcestershire sauce.
A little bit, a little bit. So again, adding some more flavor. This is going to give it a no of complexity.
Mommy.
Okay, look at you using all the words. All right, so this is triple sec. Do you know what that is?
No. Go tell me.
Triple sec is an orange liqueur. And
Right.
It helps to balance.
Yep.
Okay, so we're gonna make 2. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use an ounce and a half.
Okay.
No, we're gonna use 1 ounce. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
So just pour, or what do you want me to do?
This is 1 ounce here.
Got it.
Yep. Go up to that line. Boom. Stop.
Bam.
That's it. You're
All
done.
right, cool. And then what's my next one?
We're gonna do a little bit of citrus. So the citrus is, we're gonna do 1 ounce.
1 ounce.
So here's your line.
That line? I'm glad I paid attention in math class. I should have paid a little bit more attention, huh?
All right, that goes in here. And then we're going to do
my favorite, some cognac.
We're gonna do 4. 4, because there's 2 of us. Yes, there's 2 of us.
Sheesh.
So flip this over, and here, this is 3 ounces here. So go 3 in there, up to that line.
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4.
All the way up, all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. And then we're gonna do one more.
So one more.
You see that? You see where the line is?
Up there? I got it.
Yep, there you go.
Woo.
There we go.
Perfect.
That is perfect. We'll get you some ice.
Okay.
While you're doing that,
Yes.
I'm going to rim our glasses.
Now, is it necessary to rim these glasses?
I think for a proper cocktail, and if you want it balanced correctly, yes.
Okay, now that's a fancy rim now. That's a good one. I like it, because usually it's just the very top of the rim.
Yes, well, this gives you an opportunity to, if you want it, you can take it. If you don't do it.
Okay.
I always say, take what you want and leave what you don't.
I hear that. So you know what? Another place where I always get a really good sidecar is New Orleans.
Yes.
So like, I know that there's a big connection between France and New Orleans. So maybe that's just something that migrated from France over to New Orleans.
Well, I will tell you that the first I wouldn't say the first sidecar, but the information that I've seen, you need a lot more ice than that. The information that I've seen about sidecars have been at Arnaud's, which is the longest family-owned restaurant in New Orleans.
Okay.
So let me just tell you a little bit why we are adding more ice to this.
Okay. So water it down? Does it water it down a little bit?
Well, it's not called water it down.
Oh, well, get me together, honey.
Go ahead and put that in. You definitely, tap that. You definitely want to dilute it, all right? So I heard you say something about your shake.
My shake. I've been working on my
right.
shake.
So you definitely want to keep your hand here.
Okay.
And your thumb here, and you want to rock this back and forth. Let's see you do that.
So
with
hand
power,
here, thumb here,
shoulders down.
Shoulders down.
Push out and bring it in.
Push out and bring it
But
in.
let's come this way, because when we break that bottle, there you go. Make it sing. There you go.
Okay, I'm done.
You're done. All right, so we're gonna open this up.
So the shaking is actually really important too. It helps kind of
course.
combine all of the ingredients. It chills
Absolutely.
it down, dilutes the drink a little bit, makes it a little bit more palatable. And that's that's beautiful. I love it. That's great.
All right.
So, all right, cheers.
Cheers to you.
Cheers to you. Thank you.
That is good.
That's good.
So a little bit tart, but what balanced it out is our sugar rim.
Perfect. So here's my other question. I got all these ingredients, right? So if I have my cognac, I got some lemon. What else can I make with this? And maybe just add something else, or can I change this completely out and make something different?
So that is where mixology comes in. All cocktails start from a classic cocktail, which the sidecar is, but these same ingredients will give you a margarita. You want to see how to do that?
Sure.
All right, let's do it. We're going to start with our least expensive ingredient. You don't have to use bitters for this. I would, but the bitters that I would use would be like a grapefruit or more of a citrus bitter.
Okay.
So do you want to do this one?
I can do this one.
Sure.
And then,
So let's start with our lemon juice.
so lemon juice first. And then we've got, how much lemon juice?
Let's do 2.
And then we're gonna move this so we can see. Okay, cool.
1 triple sec.
Let's see. Oh, there we go. 1 ounce of triple sec.
Yeah.
Okay.
We
And then
got
what
some
else?
tequila.
How much tequila?
Let's do 4.
We got dos. And then cuatro.
All right. Now, normally we would add a little bit of simple sugar. We're gonna add my favorite, which is Riel passion fruit juice.
Yes.
So let's do 1 ounce of passion
1
fruit
ounce
juice.
of passion fruit juice. All right, so we're gonna do it right there.
Yeah.
Cool.
All right.
Is that it?
Yep, we got some ice.
So let's just use this little bit of ice. Cool. And then we shake this one too?
You shake this one.
Okay, so let me check out your shake.
All right. So I'm tapping
You
it.
do it for the people. Oh yeah, that's a professional shake right there.
Well, if you're all up here and all down here, you're gonna be in trouble at the end of the night.
Okay, so can I rim? Can I do the rim?
Yes, please.
And we're doing the salty or?
So I do half and half. There you go.
I think I'm gonna like the way this tastes. I'm gonna get some spicy, some sweet.
You are.
It's beautiful. I love it.
And then we have some garnish. I am a big fan of having garnish that you can actually eat.
Okay.
And these were done by the lovely Blue Henry. These are candied oranges, which is amazing. So normally we just kind of tear that off there and put that on the side. Same thing on the side.
Oh, that's so pretty. I just want to make sure we get a nice shot of that. Let me gonna move this out the way for you.
Okay. Ready? Cheers.
Salud.
That's really good, isn't it?
That is delicious.
Balanced, delicious. You have your tequila, you have your salt, your savory and your sweet. Obviously, if we had some more ice, it would be even better. But that's a basic classic cocktail.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much, Ariel. I really appreciate you coming by. And
This is really good.
I know it's so good, girl. I love it. You are so just talented at what you do. Thank you so much for coming by and talking about cocktails with us. Really appreciate it. So how can everyone find you?
Oh, I am my Instagram is Leira Knows Cocktails. You can hit me on Facebook. I'm happy to answer any questions. And if you need a bartender, me.
All right. Y'all heard her. Call my girl and put her to work. Thank you so much again. So as always, guys, thank you so much for tuning in and watching our videos. Stay tuned because we have so many more coming up. Thank you so much once again. Remember, sip well and travel endlessly.